Hello, my name is Perla Villar. I have been working for Lesaffre during 6 months. I'm the S&OP Manager for Mexico site. Well, S&OP manage all the demand, all the production. So we do the link between the commercial team and also the industrial team to make sure that our customers are satisfied. Well, S&OP Manager is very important for the company because it helps to the company to get a good customer satisfaction. Also, it helps to have a better resource management, especially when we are talking about capacity, inventories, and it helps to have a better financial situation for the companies. Well, the biggest challenge is to have this balance between the customer requirements and also the production plans. We need to make sure that we use in the best way the resources, and also keeping in mind that the most important things for the companies is the customers. So we need to make sure that we have a good balance between those two things. I think Lesaffre is a very big company. You have the opportunity to have a contact with different persons from different parts of the world, though that helps to have a better practices and share knowledge, and also to have fun with different people and learn about different cultures. That's something very nice to work in Lesaffre.